Okay, in this session, I'll show you the steps on how to generate the Smart Insight dashboard. Log into LiveCompare on LiveCompare version 4.0 or greater, and log in with editor access. Go to the studio, expand data, templates, tools. Right-click on Generate Insight Data for Pilots, copy to Workspace. Let's call this Smart Insight. Okay, we need one more workflow. It's under Impact Analysis. Right-click on Smart Insights, copy to Workspace. Select Workspace, Smart Insight, and copy. Okay, collapse data, expand workspaces, expand Smart Insight, workflows, then select Generate Insight Data for Pilots, and run the workflow. Now go to the Smart Insights workflow. Update your test repository. Right-click on the parameter, choose Edit, and then choose the test repository that you want to run Smart Insight against. Run the workflow. Takes about a minute to run. Now you can double-click on the report URL in the bottom left of the workflow. Smart Insights generates 4 dashboards: most at-risk test coverage, gaps by type, usage by type, or used objects by type, and used objects test coverage. And this is by application area. Thanks for watching.